to sit back and enjoy themselves. Thank you.
Towards a better life for the people. The reason we're making this award is for the awardees to be more inspired, to do more work towards a better life for the people. Again, I want to say to you, welcome, have a good time. God bless you.
The Vanguard Personality of the Year Award was conceived to reward societal impact, excellence, and outstanding achievement of hard-working individuals who left their mark in the preceding year. The inaugural edition was tagged Stamp of Excellence. It took place in 2013 at the
Problem Kid. Jungle,